guys, my name is Priyanka. When you're living in an area with rampant mosquito issues, having mosquito repellents is extremely useful. This Goodnight Power Active Plus pack of 6 is exactly what you need to keep them away. This 6-pack contains 45 milliliter liquid vaporizer bottles. The liquid has 50% more active plus molecules. They increase its effectiveness and can efficiently get rid of all the pesky mosquitoes. You can use the normal mode if there are only few mosquitoes, and if there are too many, then you can up its power to active mode. This incredible formula is also safe for kids, so you can use it around them without any worries. Thanks to Goodnight Power Active Plus pack of 6, I don't have to worry about mosquitoes anymore.
Hi there, I'm Deepthi. I recently bought this classic mosquito net. I've been using it for a while now, and let me show you what it looks like. To start, this mosquito net measures 200 by 200 by 145 centimeters in size, making it ideal for king or super king sized beds. It is made using a soft, breathable fabric with large zippers for easy entry and exit. This ensures a good night's sleep and easy use. I also like how effortless it is to install and fold. Just a few simple steps and you will be all set. What's more, it is washable, corrosion resistant, doesn't need any support, can be stored in a bag and is extremely portable. This mosquito net is available in different colors and sizes, so you can get the one that you want.
A tiny mosquito can ruin a good night's sleep. Well, not anymore. Hi, my name is Priyanka and I'm here to introduce you to HIT Anti-Mosquito Rechargeable Racket with LED light. This strong and durable racket comes in smart black color. It is made from aircraft grade ABS plastic for high durability and sturdiness. The 3500 volt DC voltage on the net mesh can kill any mosquito almost instantly. Thanks to the racket's unique shape, you get better coverage even in the corners, and the inbuilt LED light helps find mosquitoes in the dark. The packaging is environment friendly, and it's commendable how the entire product is designed without any plastic. Give your bedroom a thorough sweep with this racket before going to bed, and an uninterrupted sleep is all yours.